Today, I am going to explain ERP workflow in a very simple, practical, and professional way for better understanding. ERP is a system that connects all business departments into one integrated platform for smooth and fast operations.
Every process starts when a customer places an order inside the ERP system from the sales module. After order entry, the ERP system immediately processes the request and checks all related business information. The system first checks inventory levels to confirm whether required stock is available or not. If the stock is not available, ERP instantly generates a low stock alert for quick business action. Then the system automatically creates a purchase request for the required raw materials without delay. This purchase request is sent to the manager for approval through a controlled ERP workflow system. After approval, the system sends the order directly to the supplier for material procurement process. When materials arrive, ERP records and updates inventory automatically using barcode tracking system. Now production starts based on the approved order, and all activities are tracked inside the ERP system. Every manufacturing step, including cutting and stitching, is monitored and recorded in real time. Quality control ensures that all products meet company standards before moving to the next stage. Once production is completed, finished goods are automatically added into the inventory system. The ERP system updates stock in real time, so management always sees accurate inventory levels. After that, the system prepares delivery and tracks shipment details until it reaches the customer. The order is successfully delivered to the customer, and status is updated as completed in ERP. ERP also manages finance by calculating cost, profit, and overall business performance reports. In the next video, we will explore the ERP approval process in detail with real business examples. If you want to learn ERP in depth, subscribe now and stay connected for more professional business knowledge.